Hi, everybody. I'm Steve Ducey with your Fox Flash for this Monday. This guest is known for taking science to the extreme. His online demos have more than 200 million views on YouTube, and his syndicated Fox show, DIY Sci, is headed into its second season. Here's the science guy, Steve Spangler. We've got our goggles on. Show us how to make bubbles explode.
No, it's futuristic fuel, right?
It's bubbles exploding.
It's bubbles exploding. Okay, it's bubbles exploding. So in the balloon here, I have a combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas.
Okay.
So hydrogen and oxygen just mixed together makes water,
right.
But we release a little energy. So I need to have you take your ring off.
So did you take it off?
Okay, good. So we have soapy water here. So put your hands in the soapy water. Good job.
Very cold.
Nice. Okay, take your hands out.
Okay.
So here's what I'm going to do. In just a second, I'm going to bubble in here, and then I'm going to add a little energy. I'll strike a match and then add a little energy to it. So don't worry about it, right? And when I ask you to cover your ears, you got to cover your ears. Fair enough? All right, so here, watch this.
We cover our ears?
No, you get this. There. Oh, it's so great. Good job. All right, here we go. Here's our bubbles.
We don't need them?
Now, when I tell you, you're going to cover your ears with your hands. All right? So here we go. Here's our bubbles. Oh, these are going to be good. Okay, good. Now, AZ, I want you to just scoop up as much as you can. Fair enough?
What?
Scoop up the bubbles as much as you can. Good. Hold them just there like that. Watch this. Ready? Isn't that nice? Now, did it hurt?
No, not at all. You'll feel
It's
it.
compressed, right?
What makes it do that? Why does that happen?
So now the hydrogen and oxygen, when they combine, they form water, and then we get that wonderful kind of release of energy.
Right.
So when they're powering a rocket or one day powering cars, using hydrogen gas, it's a safe way to be able to do it. All right, so here we go. Let me scoop some out. Good. All right, so take a big, huge amount out. Take some out. Oh, that's perfect. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that's going to be a good one. Watch this.